How to conceal security camera cables. One of the simplest ways to hide cables for your security cameras is by running them through the soffit. Here's how to do it. Choose a suitable location for your security camera and drill a hole in the soffit at the desired mounting location. The hole should be big enough to accommodate the cables. Mount the camera over the hole in the soffit. Remove the soffit panel near the camera by loosening the fascia nails and staples that secure the panel in place. Then gently pull back the fascia and release the front edge of the soffit panel to remove it. Connect extension cables to the camera and feed them into the attic space. If your attic doesn't have insulation above the garage, you should be able to access the cables easily. If insulation blocks your access to the cables, use a fishing rod or long stick to push the cables a little bit farther. Attach the cables to the tip of the rod with a zip tie, then push it into the attic. A fishing rod works really well because it flexes and you can bend it if necessary. If you still can't reach the cables even when using a fishing rod, try to avoid corners of the house and run the cables towards the middle of the roof edge. Next, get into the attic and pull in the extension cords. From there, run them to the security system DVR box. Reinstall the soffit panels by inserting the back edge into the channel on the wall, followed by the front edge. Connect the side of the panel with the groove first, then insert the other side into the groove of the next panel. Secure the soffit with staples and nail the fascia. If you're interested, links for all of the tools used in this video will be down in the comments section below. Repeat the same process for the remaining cameras. This method is neat, requires minimal drilling, and it's relatively simple to execute. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If so, don't forget to like this video.